Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology more effectively. Begin by mapping your syllabus and dividing it into focused topics with time blocks and goals. Prioritize 3 to 5 topics per week and schedule short, frequent sessions to avoid burnout. Use a simple planner or app to track progress and adjust as needed. Keep tasks small and actionable so momentum builds and confidence grows naturally. Active learning transforms study time into real progress by making your brain retrieve and connect information. Practice with flashcards, self-quizzing, and explaining topics allowed to check for gaps. Draw labeled diagrams and flowcharts to turn abstract ideas into clear visuals you can recall under pressure. Mix retrieval with brief, spaced review to lock concepts into long-term memory and reduce last-minute cramming. Practice under realistic conditions to build exam confidence and improve timing. Work through past questions and simulate test settings with timed practice. Review errors immediately and convert them into focused mini-lessons, then retest later to ensure learning sticks. Combine spaced repetition with mixed practice so you can apply concepts across different contexts and avoid fragile knowledge that only appears in familiar formats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.